Oil prices soar on attacks on Saudi oil fields.
Yes, and housing is a $45 billion annual industry in South Carolina. Joya Dass is now live at the NASDAQ with the Monday Morning Business Report. Good morning, Joya.
To Margaret Ann, good morning, everyone. Good morning to you. As you said, the housing industry in South Carolina is a $45 billion one, but it could be higher if more homes were being built to meet the demand. Those are the findings of a new study prepared by the University of South Carolina economist Joey Von Nessen for the South Carolina Realtors Association. The study found that housing supports more than 281,000 jobs and provides just over $10 billion in people's income. NASCAR rejected advertisements for its souvenir programs from multiple firearms companies earlier this summer as part of what is being seen as a gradual shift in its position on guns. That's according to CNN. Now, the move shocked some because there is a large overlap between NASCAR fans and gun owners and left some in the firearms industry questioning why NASCAR's viewpoint has shifted and where the racing organization now stands on Second Amendment issues. Oil prices spiking 18% higher today as markets have their first chance to react to those drone strikes on Saudi oil facilities. Saudi officials say that the strikes have cut 50% of their output and 5% worldwide. Saudi Arabia also says it will restore oil production within years. Meanwhile, President Trump has authorized releasing some of the U.S. oil reserves to keep gas prices from spiking. Last check, AAA says that the current average in Greenville is $2.20 a gallon. In your stock market action from Friday, investors, of course, are now looking ahead to the highly anticipated rate decision by the Federal Reserve this week. The Dow closed higher, but the NASDAQ and S&P 500 finished slightly lower. We're looking at the futures markets right now. We're focused on everything that's going on in the oil sector, so we are seeing a little bit of pressure at the open. Live at the NASDAQ Marketsite, I'm Joya Dass. Back to you.
All right, Joya, thank you so much. Of course, we'll be sure to check back tomorrow.